Welcome back to Duda Dojo with RivalMind, where you learn all things Duda. I'm Haley, and today I'm going to teach you how to edit your web pages to look great on all mobile devices. Specifically, I'm going to cover how to adjust widgets, text, and spacing to ensure your pages are ready for mobile viewers. So let's jump right in. So Duda does a great job of automatically adjusting your sections to look good on mobile, but you can see a quick view of my desktop site, and then if I switch to the mobile device view at the top, you can see how good of a job it did at adjusting to mobile. Now, most sections are going to look good, but there's going to be some that haven't optimized for mobile like you'd like them to, like this one, for example, where the images are a bit off and everything just feels a little bit cluttered. So once I click into the widget and navigate to the design panel, you can see that this mobile icon lets me know that any adjustments I'm making in this, I'm only making on mobile. So that is a great indicator letting me know that I am only changing mobile settings right now. So I can center the text here. I can make any switches by making this one column. I can change my image height. And then if I navigate back to desktop, you can see that this section remains unchanged compared to what I did with mobile. So you can really optimize it for the mobile user experience and how they'll be viewing your site. So that's a great example of editing a widget, but what about a section like this, where my content is within an inner row and there's just a lot of components in here that's not as easy as editing one widget? Once I click into my inner row and go to the design panel, you can see my icon isn't here, but this menu has completely changed for mobile, and these layouts are mobile specific. So while it has them stacked side by side, I can select this layout and it will stack them on top of each other. And you can see this pops up with the mobile icon, and I can actually reverse column order. So something I use this a lot for is like for a text and image section, where it'll put like the image on top of the text, and really I want the text to be on top of the image. So Duda is really good about knowing certain edits that you would probably want to make for mobile and making it really easy to make those edits. Something that's also great about the Duda editor when designing for mobile is this is a pretty good text size for mobile, but let's say I want my H2 to be 18 point. Once I switch that and then navigate to desktop, you can see that my text size has only changed for mobile. And something that this is also the case with is with spacing. So if I click into my row, you can see the icon again. And when I add, let's just do 100 pixels so it's obvious. When I add that spacing, it only affects my mobile section. And when I go to desktop, my spacing also remains unchanged. So text, spacing, and widgets are all very customizable within mobile to make it visually pleasing and a better user experience for your mobile users in Duda. So thank you for joining me. If you liked this tutorial, check out our playlist of training videos and leave a comment about future tutorials you would like to see. I'm Haley, this is Duda Dojo, and I'll see you next time.
Did you love that video? You should check out this one and subscribe.